Greetings from the University Grants Commission of Bangladesh. Technological changes are occurring very rapidly all over the globe due to fourth industrial revolutions. Being a developing country, with the help of technological advancement and development, we will be able to bring a revolutionary change in many aspects of the country, especially in economy, supply chain, globalizations, international trade, and so on. The technology will also help the impact of human capital transformations. If the organizations of Bangladesh can adopt the digital technologies like artificial intelligence, IoT, communication and networking, robotics and automation, data analytics, cloud computing, and the business will be able to thrive the fourth industrial revolutions. Making this possible will help the reshape the business of the country and bring out the sustainable development in Bangladesh. In this context, university-industry collaboration would be essential to help and also enhance the quality of education and reshape our business under the guidance of the key fourth industrial revolutions. To implement the fourth industrial revolutions, there are a lot of technologies, there are a lot of challenges. First challenge is that is skilled human resources. I expect universities authorities should develop their skilled human resources as per guidance of required skills desired by the key fourth industrial revolutions mentioned by Klaus Schwab, World Economic Forum CEO. I hope the university authorities will proceed on accordingly to revise their curriculum under the guidance of the fourth industrial revolutions as well as that is called sustainable development goals in futures. We expect the government and policymakers of Bangladesh, also stakeholders, should work together for sensitization and awareness about proper applications of fourth industrial revolution based digital technologies. University authorities should fully reform the curriculum in respect of industry required skill related to the fourth industrial revolutions. Third one, the academia and industry people have to join organize informal meeting on different issues of corporate world. It can be materialized through dissemination of high quality education research, thus creating an innovative education ecosystem. To make it happen, the UG is going to host an international conference on fourth industrial revolution from 10th and 11th December 2021 on the birth centenary of our great teachers and father of nations, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and golden jubilee of the independence of Bangladesh. The UG is planning to create a premier international forum from bringing together among the researchers and practitioners from diverse domains. It will certainly help us to resolve local problems, improve life and environment using a state-of-the-art fourth industrial revolution technologies and achieve the sustainable development goals. I personally believe the outcomes of this international conference would help meet the desired goal through initiating the new dimensions of industry, academia, collaborations and engage, and also materialize the visions of our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, and also build a Sonar Bangla as envisaged by our Father of Nations, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. I personally believe a grand success and all-out cooperation from different quarters to success in this conference.